This carpenter solved a 20-year focus problem using a weird trick from 1940s psychology, a method lost to time. But today you'll steal it. But first, why your brain, despite your best intentions,
wants you to fail.
Meet David, a skilled carpenter. For 20 long years, he struggled to actually finish his projects. His workshop? Utterly chaotic. His mind? Completely overwhelmed by the task at hand. He'd start carving a table leg, then check his phone, clean tools, or just stare. Sound familiar? It was exhausted by decision fatigue. Every tiny choice drained his focus slowly like a leaky battery. Turns out David's brain wasn't broken, just being pulled in too many directions. Here's the weird truth. Your brain has less willpower than a 1940s lab rat. In landmark experiments, rats forced to make constant choices collapsed from stress, showcasing the limits of their mental endurance. A UCLA study found each decision reduces focus stamina by 8%. By 5 p.m., most brains run on 37% focus fuel, a significant drop from the morning's peak performance. Pre-choice. David stopped deciding in the moment, eliminating decision fatigue. Every Sunday he pre-cut wood, laid tools in exact workflow order, blocked 90-minute focus bursts on his calendar. Result? His brain stopped choosing and started creating, unlocking a flow state previously hindered by constant choices. MIT researchers found rituals like David's reduce cognitive load by 62%. Your key takeaway: eliminate tiny choices. Pre-pick your lunch for the week. Lay out tomorrow's clothes. Save your brain for what truly matters. You don't need more discipline necessarily. You simply need fewer decisions weighing you down. David now builds award-winning furniture, a true testament to his craft. His secret? I stopped fighting my brain, I designed around it. Ready to upgrade your life and find your focus? Like if this helped you gain some clarity. Comment "focus" below for David's exact ritual template. Subscribe for more science-backed life hacks and productivity tips.